waiting list. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, my name is Hannah. If you're not new, welcome back. I'm gonna be filming a fun and a little bit of a different vlog today. I mean, it's gonna kind of be like a little day in my life, but I'm gonna be filming like a travel day vlog because I never really get the opportunity to film these normally because like my flights or train or whatever form of transportation that I'm taking, we typically leave at like 6 a.m. in the morning, and I'm just not in the mood to vlog at that point, and at that point it's crunch time. But I don't have to leave for the airport until 1:30 today, and it is now 10:30. So I figured I'd take you guys through how I kind of prep to travel, like prep to leave my apartment, prep to leave the city. And I actually have like a lot of things on the to-do list that I need to get done before I even like take off later today. I need to do some returns to UPS. I need to clean the apartment. I need to finish packing because normally I have that done by now, but I just didn't. And then I need to make the bed, and I have schoolwork to do, and like I have a bunch of things that I need to get done. So I'm gonna take you guys with me today and show you guys my travel routine and what I typically do like right before a flight, because like I said, I never really get to show it. So welcome back. If you guys are new around here, my name is Hannah and I do like a lot of lifestyle content. I'm based out of New Jersey / New York, and I love traveling. And right now this isn't like a really big fun trip that I'm going on. I'm just going back home to Virginia, but I mean, I don't know, like any excuse to get on an airplane or like go to an airport, I'm all there. I just love the experience. I love the rush of traveling. So if you're new, subscribe because lots of future travel content to come to this channel, but I typically just film when I'm not traveling, like day in my life vlogs or like fashion hauls and stuff like that. So you should stick around. Okay, before I do anything, I need to make this bed because I cannot function when the bed is not made. It just is part of my routine and it makes me feel more put together. So I'm gonna go ahead and make the bed. Today was like a little bit of a weird morning because I had to wake up to take a call for school. I had to get on Google Meets, which I never really use Google Meets. It's such an interesting application. But I had to get on Google Meets with my professor, my teaching assistant, whatever you wanna call him, because I didn't understand I didn't understand an assignment. I needed clarification on something. And so I literally had to get up at like 8:30 this morning to get on a call with him at 10. So that is what I've been up to this morning, which means I didn't make the bed as soon as I got out of it, which I normally do, but we're switching things up this morning. Now that that's all made, I am going to grab all the stuff that I kind of like have piled up here and put it on the bed. This is all the stuff that I need to like pack last minute. I need to check my toiletry bag to make sure that everything that I need is in there, and then I need to finish packing some stuff that was drying on the drying rack over here. So next thing I'm gonna do is just take everything that I left for today that I couldn't pack last night because I needed it today and put it on the bed so that I know what I have, what needs to go in my suitcase, what's missing, so on and so forth. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab all of that stuff now. Pretty sure I have everything in my big suitcase packed up that I need. I closed it, but I should have looked at this list first. I highly recommend making a day of packing list. This is basically everything that I need to grab like the morning that I'm planning on traveling, or like right before I travel, because I either needed these things last night, needed them this morning, or something of that sort. So this is like my grab it and go list, and I just want to go through it now and make sure that I have everything. I've also started kind of putting things on the counter that are going to go in my backpack. I need to bring like a big backpack because I have to bring my work laptop home, my regular laptop home for school and YouTube, and then my Kindle and all of my electronic devices. It's crazy how many electronic devices I travel with nowadays. I really enjoy the trips where I don't have to bring my work laptop because it adds so much to it. Like, I'd rather just be able to bring my personal laptop and leave my work laptop at home, but while I'm in Virginia, I'm planning on working, so I don't really have an option. Anyways, I'm gonna go through this now. We have my curling iron, makeup, brush, face lotion, dry shampoo, shampoo and conditioner. Okay, so I have everything that I need for my big suitcase. Everything else on this list I'm putting on the counter over here, and we'll bring it, or we'll pack it in my backpack when it's time to pack in my backpack. I'm not gonna do that right now. I'm actually gonna get dressed. Still in my pajama shorts. I'm gonna get dressed and run to UPS. I need to actually make sure that it's open. UPS is open on the weekends, right? Because if not, that could be a problem. Okay, they're open till 5. Perfect. So I'm gonna actually run to UPS now after I get dressed and drop off my Nuuly package. It's not due until like the 28th of November, but I get back really close to that date and I'm just nervous that I'm gonna miss it and they're gonna charge me again, and I'm pausing it for a few months because I just feel like with the holidays coming up and like I've been buying a few new things here and there, I just don't need it at the moment. So I'll probably unpause the subscription eventually, but until then it's gonna be paused, and I am going to return that package. So let's get dressed, go do that, because that is the next thing that's on our to-do list. Guys, it's literally 38 degrees outside. So this is my fit to go run errands. I'm wearing my puffer, which honestly may be overkill, but I literally don't know what it is with this winter, but we were walking outside last night to get dinner in the West Village, and it was like in the 40s probably, and I was struggling. Like, I was really, really cold, which is sad because I went to college at Syracuse for 4 years, and then I've lived in New York for 2 years, so you think I'd be used to the cold weather, but I think deep down I am just like a warm weather girl. I don't know if I'm meant to be in the New York weather for much longer. So this is my little outfit to run errands because I'm dramatic. Okay, I'm back. I dropped off the package at UPS, and I can confirm I was not being dramatic. It is actually so cold outside that I was in shock. Like, it shocked my system how cold it was. My face, you can literally tell it's still red. Whatever. Anyways, I just got a package in the mail, and I know that this is a travel video, but I figured I'd unbox it for you guys. So I ordered some ski goggles, which is foreshadowing to a few trips that we're taking in the upcoming months, so stay tuned. But the last ski goggles that I got was when I was like younger, probably like middle school, and there's nothing wrong with them. I just kind of wanted an upgrade. Like, I wanted a different color, which sounds stupid, but it is what it is. Oh, this is like a whole thing. Okay, I have to like put it together. What is this? Well, I think it's a different lens. Okay, so this is what they look like. They're actually pretty sick looking. Like, I love the color, and they were on sale, which is why I bought them, because if you guys ski or snowboard, you know that goggles can get so expensive really fast, and a lot of Black Friday sales are going on right now. So I figured that while, how do you work these things? While the sales were going on, I would invest. Oh wow, these are huge on my head. I look like an ant. I look like an ant. No, I'm dead. Why do I look like this? Ski goggles are supposed to be big on your head, but I don't know if they're supposed to be this big, to be completely honest. I Come in peace. I can't use my face ID because it doesn't register that this is my face. Okay. I'm sending a picture to John. Okay, I have a small head. I'm well aware of that, but how big these were on my face are actually kind of hilarious. I'm gonna wait to return them. I need to see if they fit. Like, ski goggles are supposed to be big, and I think that this is the vibe. I need to look at the picture of the models online, but I think that this is kind of the point. But I need to see if it'll fit with my helmet, because I have a helmet, and if these are too big on my helmet, because my helmet hits here, then I'm gonna have to return for sure. Stay tuned. But that just gave me a good laugh. That was funny. And I got another package from Victoria's Secret. Victoria's Secret, to this day, has the best underwear, I swear. I always get their seamless underwear. Someone's trying to contact. Oh, it's time to be real. I mean, I'm cracking up. I'm gonna do it with my goggles on, because I mean, this is for real. Okay. I just got distracted. Okay. They have the best seamless underwear, and it's literally the only underwear that I ever buy, because it's affordable and it never does me wrong, although I don't think that they sent me the right colors. Anyways, the seamless thongs from Victoria's Secret, 10 out of 10. Would recommend. I wish that these came in yesterday so that I could have washed them and brought them to Virginia with me, but I'll just leave it for when I come back, I guess. That was really distracting, and I have now less than 2 hours before I need to go to the airport, so I'm gonna finish packing up and then go from there. Okay, sorry that the dishwasher is so loud. I hate leaving dirty dishes in the sink before I leave, so I just like put everything in the dishwasher and started it. So poor timing, so that's gonna be in the background, but this should be quick. I have everything that I'm gonna put in my backpack out on the counter now, and I think this should be everything from the checklist. We'll do one final run through in a little bit, but I put everything that I could possibly need to put in the backpack on the counter, and now we're gonna put everything in here. We have both laptops, glasses, camera stuff, Kindle, chargers. I need to figure out some sort of situation for chargers. I know you can buy like little Velcro straps or something on Amazon and have it so that your chargers are all nicely organized. I need to look into investing in that because we have a few trips coming up, and this just like stresses me out because it's gonna be absolutely everywhere in my bag. Yeah, so this is the current situation. I also took a shower, which is why my hair is like this. I wasn't planning on doing that, but honestly I just felt gross and felt like I just wanted to get it out of the way. And I'll probably take another one tonight because the airport's gross, but after walking outside, I just felt like I needed a little refresh. So that is what I did. And I'm finding all of these random things in my backpack.